Hello everyone. So if you want to transfer data from another phone from your phone to another device, and you have a Samsung phone, you can do that if you go to the settings, and if you scroll down, here is the general management option. And if you go to the bottom, here you can see bring data from old device. And here is written that tap each app to go to its settings. For each app, tap permission, storage, and allow the permission. And here you have to select that to send that data or receive data. Let's see if you want to receive data, and you have to select the source, let's say from an Android phone, and get connected. How do you want to connect? Let's say cable. And here you can see connect your new Galaxy phone to your old device with a cable, and use a USB connector and cable to connect the devices. Plug the USB connector into your new phone. This is one option. Here you can see that there is a wireless option as well. Here, if you want to transfer data from an iPhone or iPad or a Windows phone, so here you have options. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye.